Have the Recording Academy been getting it wrong where the Reggae Grammy is concerned? Or is it that they just don't love dancehall music? First of all, let me start by saying congratulations to Keznamdi on your Grammy. Now I try to take away nothing from you and your album. And we're actually glad to say it's another Jamaican winning Zine. But make we get into it. So, the last dancehall artist to win that reggae category would be Sean Paul in 2004 and Beanie Man won it in 2001. So as we all know, Shaggy was the first dancehall act to win the Reggae Grammy. He did it in 92 and he also did it in 93. So after Shaggy, you had Beanie Man. Yes, Bounty Killer got a Grammy from being featured on Gwen Stefani's song. Congratulations to him too. So after that now, all of the most recent Grammy Award have gone to the Marleys, right? And I'm not saying that the Marley kids are not talented, because trust me, they are talented. But sometimes you wonder if favoritism come with certain last name. Zine? Alright. Differently from that, we've seen other people outside of Jamaica who've won the Grammy. People who we don't know about and we never know say yo into dancehall music like that. But you know, dancehall is a global thing. Let me not say dancehall. Reggae is a global thing. So you have artists outside of Jamaica who actually are reggae artists. I mean not try to discredit nobody word, but as we all know, Jamaica is the hub of dancehall and reggae. However, when it comes to the Grammy, I personally feel like dancehall act has always been overlooked, right? It always seemed to go towards the reggae artist. So is it that dancehall lacks substance, or is it that the Recording Academy is out of tune with the culture? This is why I feel like the Recording Academy is out of tune with the culture. When you look at certain hip hop acts or hip hop artists, hip hop sound and all of them thing there, they mostly use dancehall music in a them music. They mostly use dancehall sound in a them beat and all that. Because as we all know, hip hop was created by a Jamaican, right? However, when it comes to the individual award, like the Grammys, the dancehall act them don't seem fair win the Grammy, you see me? So me really want to know what really are going, or the voting process need to change when it comes to the Grammys overall. Because enough time we see some people win the Grammy now, we are looking to ourselves and we are say, yo, who that? Who this? Even now some people are say, yo, them just don't know who Keznamdi be. Which me personally think Keznamdi is a very good artist and always been a good artist. So yes, me not gonna say him not deserve the Grammy where him get. However, though, I want to see some changes though with the Grammy concern when it comes to the dancehall act part. Because you have whole heap of dancehall artists who really, really put in the work. You see me? And you know, album are not something will really come out of dancehall often. You see me? So, we understand that. But what really are going? Is it that dancehall is not appealing internationally? Or the Recording Academy just don't love dancehall? Is it that dancehall too vulgar or something? I really don't know what it is. You see me? Because the most successful dancehall acts we have internationally would be Shaggy and Sean Paul. Zine? And sometimes me wonder if colorism play a role in them success. Still not take nothing from the artists them and them talent, because I do think they are great artists and them put in a great body of work and them deserve them glory. But when it comes to the real grimy dancehall, the dancehall, we don't seem to get the recognition upon the international stage. You see me? With all the work that Vibes Cartel put in over the years, I personally think that Vibes Cartel deserve a Grammy. But that's just my opinion still. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think. Zine?